Can you explain what variable scope means in Python? Python interviewers often ask about variable scope. Hey, do you want to give it a shot on your own first? Think about it and drop your answer in the comments below. Alright, now let's explore the answer together. So what exactly is variable scope? Variable scope in Python determines where in the code a variable can be accessed or modified. There are primarily two types of variable scopes in Python: global scope and local scope. Global variables are accessible throughout the entire program, while local variables are only accessible within the block of code or functions where they are defined. Let's take an example to understand it better. Take a look at this Python code snippet. Here we have a global variable called global_var. Next step, we are defining a function for local variable. Inside this my function, we define a local variable called local_var. Inside the function, let's print the values of both the global and local variables. Let's call the function and print the global variable and local variable outside the function. Now let's run the code and see what happens. When we call the function my function, it prints the values of both global and local variables. When we access global_var outside the function, we get the output successfully. However, when we try to access local_var outside the function, it raises an error, because local_var is not defined outside the function's scope. So far, the interviewer seems to be impressed with how you explain Python variable scope. And the interviewer asks another question. How do you convert a local variable to a global variable in Python? Let's dive into it together and see how we can tackle it. To convert a local variable to a global variable in Python, you can use the global keyword inside the function to declare a variable as global. Here's how you can do it. In this example, we use the global keyword inside the function my function to declare local_var as a global variable. This allows the variable to be accessed and modified outside the function scope. So there you have it, another interview question cracked. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful, and follow for more Python insights. Until next time, happy coding!